Good morning. In this presentation, we are going to see how we can trade in MCX Copper today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened yesterday and what we expected yesterday. The chart which you are viewing is an 1 hour chart. That means every candlestick represents one hour. So today we will be using this 1 hour chart for explaining what happened yesterday and what we expected, because since copper was consolidating for a long time, so I thought that explaining with this chart will be more helpful than going with a 7 minutes chart. So now let us see what happened yesterday and what we expected. So this is the price opening. Copper market opened around 420.45 and we had drawn a trend line also. You can see how we had drawn a trend line. The trend is connecting all the lows. You can follow this red colored line, connecting all the lows, which indicates that, and yesterday what we expected was that the price opening will play a very key role. That was our expectation. If the price is going to open above this, it is going to stay in line with the trend, and there are possibilities if the price breaks 422, it can move higher. That was our clear expectation, because you can see that how long the market is taking a resistance at 422. So on 24 last week completely the market was taking a resistance here. So but the low is also increasing slowly and steadily. The low is increasing and you can see a clear pattern formation. So the low is increasing. That is the major reason we have connected the lows and drawn a trend line, and here it is taking a very clear resistance and also supported with the average. So this is a long-term moving average which we had drawn. So what exactly happened yesterday was that after the price opening, the market went up and this 422 was broken and the price was staying above that comfortably. That provided a very clear momentum for the market to move higher. So you can see it is a very steady gain in copper market initially. So the price went till 424.7. So till that zone around 424.6 approximately. So the copper was gaining momentum, and you can see it's a very good gain, because normally we call it as a breakout. After a very long consolidation, you can see after a very long consolidation the low is increasing and the price was staying in line with the trend. So that pushed the market higher. But what happened is that the market took the resistance around 424.5 and again it came down and tested the support of 422. Again 422 provided a good support and pushed the market higher, but its 424 is providing a good resistance and it was pushed down again since and the price closed around 422.6. This is the entire price action what happened yesterday, because normally the price should have moved higher, or we should have expected a closing just above 423 or something above that, would have clearly indicated the price is in line with the trend. On seeing the yesterday's price action, it says that the market initially it was good for buying, but at the final stage the closing is very crucial. Again it closed near the crucial area 422.6, and today's opening is expected based upon the COMEX price to be more or less around 422 or just below that. So if the price opening for today is going to be above 422.6 and if we see a price action above 423, we can be very clear that the price is going to follow the trend. Since the expected price opening again is going to find a great struggle between 422, so it is going to be, though based upon the price action and the trend, it says that the market is good for buying, but we cannot take it very easily, because if the price come below 422, what we call it as a failure failure to sustain above 422. If the price is going to come and if the price is breaking the support of 422, and if it is going to come down, it implies that it is going to break and it is a failure to sustain above 422, and also it is going to break the average also. So it is a very dangerous sign for copper traders, because today we have another important thing is that today we have a lot of news that's coming right from 1:15 till 11:15 night. We have a lot of news here and there. basically the manufacturing index news are there in Britain, US. So today is going to be a very important day for us, for copper traders, because you can see a clear price action around 422. We know that the market is consolidating and it is testing us for a long time. For the past week it was good, the market was staying in line with the downtrend, but it didn't provide us a very good profit. And for this week it is staying above. If the price can sustain this 422, and if the price can move, if the price can give a closing above 423 or 424, then sure we can expect 426 and 432 in the near term. But if there is a failure, surely the market is expected to break this trend line, and it is going to be a good fall in copper. So it is going to be a 50-50 probability. If the price is going to break 422, please make a note. Today we have a lot of news. Today is going to be another important day for us. We really know it is a testing time, but it is how the market behaves. Sometimes the market tests us, so that we need to use all our skills what we have learned. So let us see what's going to happen during our trading session. Watch the price closing, price opening very carefully. Whatever we are predicting based upon the price opening is based on COMEX price directions, but it may be subjected to changes based on the currency value also. Today the price action is also going to be dependent on the Indian rupee. So please, after the market opens, you please see that where the market is trading, rupee is trading. If that can provide us some support, it can put us above 422 till the major news comes. So it is going to be 100% dedicated day for copper traders. Let us see what's going to happen during our trading session. And thanks a lot for watching all our videos. And one more thing I want to say is that how we connected a wire from where this line is coming. So it's coming from, you can see that this 432 where the price dropped. So that in order to, if the price drops, in order to identify the downtrend, we had drawn this downtrend line also. And there are two lines. You may be asking that how we have drawn this trend line connecting these lows. The one trend is we want to identify this trend, and from the low where the market is picking momentum, we want to identify the another trend also. So this is how, when the going gets tough, we use some more technicals which we had learned to identify the trend. So I hope you can also work on this. When the price moves, you can also change the trend lines and you can do your homework. Let us see. Thanks a lot for watching our videos, and happy trading. Take care. Bye.